Hello, this is Dr. Damon Myers, and I'm going to show you how to retrieve your feedback from your assignments. Retrieving feedback from your assignments is very important. Every assignment, you need to take and apply the feedback that you retrieve towards your final essay. So how do we go about finding out our feedback? As you can see, I have the College 100 course open in front of me. And I'm going to go up here to Course Tools, scroll down to Assignments, just like I'm going to submit an assignment, and click on Assignments. After I have my assignments open, I'm going to go down to the bottom of my assignments where all of my assignments that are completed are listed. You can see all the way over here to the right that there are two columns. One says Feedback and one says Grade. Look all the way down your Feedback column, right next to your grade, there's a little envelope. It says click here to view your feedback. So let's click on the personal essay feedback and see what we have. Okay, here's your grade details. Here's your grade, 93. And look down where it says feedback. Your feedback is attached. So right below that it says feedback attachments. You're going to find a document, usually with your name on it. Click on it and open it up. Now, before you start looking through your document, go up to your review, click on the balloons, and make sure that this bottom button is checked. Show only comments and formatting in balloons. Otherwise, you will not be able to see the feedback that's left for you on the document. So let's look at Tony's paper. Here you can see the first comment. The first comment says that with quoting, please make sure to add a page or paragraph number to the citation. And it shows the proper way to do this here in the comment section. Let's look a little farther. Here I've made a correction in grammar. If we look a little farther, you still see more comments. There's one about using abbreviation and another grammar comment. Again, I've shown how to correct it and why it's wrong. And sometimes I'll even put what the rule is for you. You can see there's more comments throughout the paper. Some of them say you did an excellent job. Some of them remind you of what you need to do in your paper to make it properly formatted, use good grammar, and other comments about your paper. Let's continue scrolling down your paper. You can see here there's a few more comments throughout the paper. You don't want to close it up too soon because you need to go all the way to the very end of your document. At the end of your document, you're going to find the grading rubric. This is how your paper is graded. It's graded on your academic skills, your communication, your critical thinking, your information literacy, and finally your lifelong learning. As you can see, Tony did an excellent job meeting the requirements for this assignment. He has a good command of the subject matter. He's very knowledgeable on it. He does need to improve some of his grammar, which I've made note of in his paper. His critical thinking is good, which means that he's able to take his sources that he used, summarize them, paraphrase them, and come to conclusions about what he's learned. And in that information literacy, he had a couple of errors in his citation, so I marked this for him. They're satisfactory, but he could still do some improving. And then his preparing for Being a Lifelong Learner is very good. His format is good on his paper. He's used his resources well. He's obviously spent some time working on this assignment. He didn't throw it together at the last minute. Finally, you will find some comments at the very end of your paper that talks about your format, your writing, maybe some suggestions on where you can go to find extra help or some suggestions on how to improve your writing. Let's look at another feedback. Here you can go right here to click to return to the list. And we're going to scroll back down and we're going to click on creating the title page. Now Tony got a 5, which is a perfect score on this page, but he still has feedback. Even if you got a perfect score, you still want to review your feedback. There might be something important that you need to fix on your paper or something that is added to help you with the rest of your work or your paper. So Tony's title page is formatted correctly, and he's on a good path towards having a well-formatted paper for his final paper. I've shown you how to retrieve your feedback by going over here to the assignments and clicking on them and going to find the little envelope that says feedback in your assignments list. Again, it's extremely important for you to review this feedback on all of your assignments and apply this feedback towards your next assignments and your final essay. I want to thank Dr. Tony Underhill, who is also an instructor for College 100, for helping me to make this video. He helped me by submitting some papers to a site and allowing me to go in and show you how to retrieve the feedback. I hope that this video is very helpful for you.